I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room they go by, we can do it anyhow. Ah, you know we'll see you through, 'cause every day we pay the price.
Hey guys, welcome back to another
date night.
vlog. Guys, it's his birthday. Yeah guys, this is his birthday and we're on the way to a surprise. Failed surprise, might I add. Yeah, so guys, every year we go through the same thing with you all, because every year I'm telling us that it's a struggle to get him to agree to do anything or go anywhere on his birthday. Like, it literally hurts my head, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, well, let me show you guys.
Nothing big. They can't see. They can't see.
And they can't see.
We're going over the big bridge.
Yeah, but we're going over the Jensen Beach Bridge.
No, Stuart. This is Stuart.
Stuart Bridge.
I don't know where it is.
Right, so the big surprise is, and it was simple plans, you know.
Half a mile, turn left onto Southwest John Jefferson Way.
Simple plan. And the highlight of the plan would be that Joshua would turn up to the location that we were having dinner, because Joshua is in college. And we were not having any
Next
plans.
left onto Southwest John
It's a
Jefferson
weeknight.
Way.
We didn't have any plans to pick him up, you know, because he had school tonight. He had school until late this evening, and he has school early tomorrow morning. So that wasn't in the cards. However, you know me, I had to make it happen. So I made arrangements with our very close friends to pick him up, and they were supposed to, you know, turn up
Incognito.
turn up at the restaurant, and then I would act as if we're going on a just on a birthday
In
date.
500 feet at the traffic circle, take the third
our
exit
own?
onto Southwest St. Lucie Avenue.
But it so happened, I'm gonna stay tuned for the rest of the story. I'm gonna tell you whatever. I'll tell you guys by the end of the night. But we're at the location. It's by the water, yes. And it should be pretty nice, even though it's kind of windy out.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Here, so?
I think it's right. Yeah.
So, guys, she carry me somewhere. I don't know where I go. But I am going because the wife says to do so. And if she says to do so, I got to do so. We're in Jensen. No, we're in Stuart. So let me turn the camera. We're gonna get some views. This is like the waterfront area. Spritz Bistro, Lush Lounge, and then a place down at the corner they named the Boathouse. And you have the River Walk Cafe and Oyster Place. So this is something to talk about. Yeah. How you feel about the surprise, my girl? Eh? Me no hear you. It's ruined. It's ruined. Oh, so it look like at the Boathouse shack here, guys. So them can't get nothing over upon me, because my Jesus show me everything in a sign. My Jesus show me everything as a sign. To me, shall try win. Go in that place there. Shall try win me and it never work. So we're going to Boathouse now. Just start showing what I'm going here.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, guys. So the Boathouse is a beautiful little restaurant on the waterfront in Stuart, and from the balcony where we sat down, you can see the entire waterways of Stuart, including the massive bridge. This young lady is the one who drew me out, ladies and gentlemen, because normally I'm boring, I want to stay home. I am that type of person, but tonight is a different night. Don't care about such things. I'm not into going anywhere and having no type of fun. I'm into staying home and be bored. That's my fun. That's my fun. So guys, them care with one nice place, but the breeze are blowing and it is very windy. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the scenery in a little while. But for now, I'm waiting on my... Simone, what is something on my other name?
Whiskey sour.
My whiskey sour, and it shall be very sour. I made sure the wifey got a strawberry basil margarita, and our designated driver for the evening is this one, because he got a Shirley Temple. Help him. Help him, Jesus. So, but we need a pension. So this is my drink. This is the whiskey sour, and guys, I don't know what of the night, but it looked very sour. And then the wifey had the margarita.
Menu, we paint the menu so many times.
Okay.
Yeah.
And well, look, this is the place, the Boathouse.
Happy birthday. Dad? What is it? I have to say other words.
Yes, yes. No, we're good.
Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday. You're the best dad ever.
Your face never in it.
Happy birthday, Reverend Sendtohope. Yes, yes. Hope you enjoy your stay. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
I wonder if she was going to go by YouTube.
Wow.
I started to say that and those ain't snap. Happy birthday, cool. What you wear? 40 what? 45? He said he's 45.
22.
I'm sorry, he said he's 22 today. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead, man.
What was that? It's Jesus. My other name Jesus. I think the devil can found them. Yes, Simone have one. Your phone sucks. Our phone wins.
No, my camera is way better than all yours.
Not. My youth.
Right?
Not. Never.
No. iPhone got a better. He know.
They arguing about phones.
iPhone has a better camera.
Not.
What?
Not.
Josh.
Wait, I don't think this is mine. I have this one.
Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, wait, I want that. Let's switch. Woo-hoo-hoo. Thank you.
Just got a side of on for you.
Yeah.
Video up. I am so tired. I'm ready for going now.
This is what I wish.
Yeah, I'm boring. I don't care. I'm boring. I got a birthday card. I got a birthday card. So, see, yeah, did it. I'm gonna take all the kids.
This is that's the only thing I don't like. You know that in the privacy of your own home. Just don't leave it.
we having anything else over here?
You. Oh, the check, please.
Sure.
Alright guys, so he's opening his cake. It's time for the reveal of the cake. No,
Owen, you're gonna go.
you know the camera is rolling, right?
I'm sorry, what?
You're that zero.
Well, get ready for the finale.
Finale. Ta-da!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened, Coach? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jesus, please. I want 2 slices right now.
Look for the cake.
It's nice. It's nice. It's nice.
So nice.
It's beautiful.
Woo, woo, woo.
Beautiful.
Woo, 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 woo. Oh, sorry.
It's beautiful. Just put right to the side
All right. We're not I'm not now.
for Saturday.
So that's it, guys. We did what we had to do.
How good night, guys.
Night night.
Oh, the
Mega look. I'm gonna look upstairs. There's an upstairs section. Hello. Hi guys. Just wanted to take a look at upstairs. It's beautiful. So this is the upstairs. Awesome. Thanks guys. Awesome. It's really nice. I do YouTube. I have a YouTube vlog that I do. So. Yeah. So I travel and eat food and do crazy stuff like that. So thanks guys. Have a great night. All right. So that is the restaurant behind me. I'm giving a 360. Yeah. So the place set, you see me? So nice. I gotta come back here in the day. Or the train. Train I run through, you know, because we're over on the east side. Yeah man, so the thing set. Really nice, really nice guys. It was more about the experience as usual than the food. Waterfront dining at the Boathouse in Stuart. Yeah, so the thing set. Remember, tell you, thumbnail. Yeah. Josh, come, take a picture with me. Come take a picture with me. Oh, it's a video. I'm sorry. So guys, after busting the surprise, because guess what? Kino called her, text her on our phone and was asking if he must pick up Joshua. And I'm like, pick up Joshua, you know? So I found out that Joshua was coming, but it was such an awesome time with the Dunn family and just being with my family and our family. You know, guys, I'm so happy that I come out. It was an awesome time. Trust me. Look at this. This is the water bar. Look at this big old fish right here, guys. That is crazy, right? That is crazy. Wow. Wow, look at that. Wow. Awesome. Guys, it's been fun. And I wanted you to see more of the place. And I think I need to get out of here. Because I'm not in the sick people game. Forgot to get sick because of birthday celebrations. You mad? Nope, not happened to me. It was fun, Stuart, but now I'm leaving. Take care now, bye-bye then. Remember me tell you.
So guys, as usual, it was a W. It was a win.
I don't know where we're going.
Go back on the main. You're trying to go back on US 1, eh? Round.
To here?
No,
Or to there?
I think to there. Or is it not to there?
I don't know where we're going. I gotta turn this light off because it's bothering me. Okay, we're right back where we're supposed to be.
Why you turn off a light? I'm not done. Yeah guys, so it's the end of the night and it was actually pretty good. You know, it was short because based on the time of our reservation and the time that they closed, we didn't really have much time. But overall, everybody enjoyed the food. You enjoy your food, babe? Yeah, food was good. And the ambience was nice. It got a little bit windy and rain and started to, you know, drizzle a little bit.
Yeah.
So we went on the inside, but yeah, it's something that we would do again. You know, we would definitely check it out maybe at, you know, the lunch hour in the daytime. And yeah, again, happy birthday to you.
Thank you kindly.
Yes, thanks for being a trooper.
Thank you kindly.
Thanks for stepping outside of yourself.
Thank you kindly.
And Joshua just, you know, put the icing on the cake for him because
Yeah, it was such a pleasure to have Joshua. You know, watch the Jensen Beach Causeway over there, so.
I'm not saying.
You can't see
Yeah,
nothing.
you see the mirror, the reflection. Yeah, guys, but Joshua coming. No, Josh.
I'm tired, man. You know, so every time Joshua come home, him sleep deep, like real sleep.
Yeah. But
Like,
yes,
you know?
him say, I'm having homework or essay or something to do.
You have your computer with you?
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, I think that was a highlight for him, you know, having Josh celebrate with him. So that was a win. Yeah. Awesome birthday.
And we didn't order crab cakes.
We did see cupcakes on the menu though, but of course.
No, listen, you traumatized me with the crab cake.
Fool
We
me
now order
once.
crab cake. Yep.
Shame on you. Fool me twice. Shame on me. I'm not ordering crab cakes for $24. No.
And see, the rain stopped falling.
I know. But yeah, it's a Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, and we're heading home. And
On US 1.
going to unwind and
Going to sleep. Unwind. I'm going to my bed. This old body
you're so
needs
old.
rest.
You're so old. You're just so old right now.
Yep.
Anyway, guys, Yardie TV with another quick vlog for you guys. Yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, rate, share, do everything we have to do so that Yardie TV can go international.
International.
Bye.
The absolute best detox on the market. If you have not yet gotten your one-day detox, you need to hit me up immediately. The number is 305-204-1270. That's 305-204-1270. Yeah man, this is the truth.